Zesulubi Nyembezi kubaphathi besibhedlela iNgwelezane Hospital enyakatho isifundazwe KwaZulu-Natal emva kokuthi ungqongqoshe wezokusebenza kumphakathi KwaZulu-Natal uMartin Meyer qinisekise ukuthi ke ukusebenza nokuqhubeka kwenkontileka kwakho kwesibhedlela ke ongxenye ethile kuzoqhubeka kulezi sibhedlela. Kanti ke ukuqoka kwasonkontileka omusha kuzokwenzeka emva kokuthi ke sekhishwe isimemezelo ke simema labo ke abafisa ukwenza lo msebenzi. Kanti ke usonkontileka omdala ke wakhishwa imali ngo-5 million kuye kepha zangaqhubeke nomsebenzi. Ilokhu ke kucanuleke ungqongqoshe nathi ke kufuze kugwemeke kusasa. Ungqongqoshe umeya uthi ke uyazi ukuthi iphutha lingakubo njengomnyango kepha ke kufanele bayisole bese kuyifuka beyithatha.
And colleagues, we came to see what is going wrong at this project. Orthopedic unit was supposed to be built here, as you can see behind me, and we were supposed to be finished in March of this year. Now you can see this is not going to be finished in March this year. Something went seriously wrong. And as we are now developing a new Department of Public Works and Infrastructure, we are focusing on our projects where things went wrong. We are making sure those projects get back onto track, get finished so that we can deliver the necessary health services, educational services, and all other services the people of KwaZulu-Natal delivers. Things like this should not happen and will not happen anymore under this new government. That's why we're identifying these difficult projects. We are not only getting them started again, but we're also learning valuable lessons to ensure that we can fix these things and that this will never happen again.
Lapha ke usonkontileka omdala uphucwe lo msebenzi iCV project yagcina ke ngokumba sekufuze ifake indonga kepha ke zangitholaka beqhubeke nomsebenzi. Kanti lapho kufuze kwakhiwe ke ikhungo se-orthotics kanye ne prosthetics kanye nendawo ke lapha yokubhaka. Umphathi ke wesibhedlela ke umnumzana ke uBS Madlala ke uthi abantu ke basemhlathuze ngeke manje basaphoqeleka ukuthi ke bahambe isikhathi eside bahambe baze bayiThekwini ukuze ke bathole ke usizo. Uthi ke zonke izinsiza ke ifanele bayithola ke lapha ke eNgwelezane nala khona bezokwazi ukuthi ke abadinga ukuxhunya imlenze nalabo ke abazala bekhubazekile bengenayo imlenze bahlengwe lapha ke endaweni sibhedlela ngeNgwelezane.
When we had the site handover in 2024, we were hopeful that by now we'll be almost complete and we'll be receiving the facility in 2 months' time. But unfortunately, that didn't happen. And I must say, MEC, it wasn't for public works, but the constructor, the construction company that was appointed, seriously went into problems. And despite the number of times that he was given an opportunity, he just couldn't do anything. And I was in all the meetings that we held with the company, and I'm aware of it, what was happening. So we hope that when we get a new company, we'll get a good one that will be able to do this work, and in the next 2 years we'll have the service, because the people of King Cetshwayo, Umkhanyakude and Zululand really need this facility. Thank you.